Are you someone who is thinking of getting into gardening? Or have you lost your fair share of plants? Looking for a fresh start? Welcome to Gardening 101. Before this year, we had no idea on when or how to order seeds, how to handle seedling, or keep them warm. Never heard of terms like plant food, hand pollination, when to plant outside, sharing our experiences so others can benefit from it. Throughout the video, watch out for our must-do tips for gardening. All the links are provided in the description. We ordered the seeds right before the frost disappeared. Most of our DIY inspirations are from our 3 mantra, which we incorporated in our gardening too. Place the seeds in wet tissue and cover it. This is a must-do tip. It's important to have an area set up with a good supply of sunlight. Following a routine is important for both plants as well as the gardeners. Labeling seedlings is a good practice in the long run, trust me. Moist soil is an ideal soil you want for your plants. Cherish each tiny surprise. This shows you're doing a good job. The more space a seedling has, the greater the chances of a healthier and faster growth. The warmer the better. On rainy or colder days, we even use mini heaters. On sunnier days, we would slowly introduce our plants to the outside weather in the daytime and bring them back during night times. Once the night temperature were above 50, we planted most of the plants outside. We even added a few plant foods. Due to less bees, we hand-pollinated for better results. At the end of the harvest season, we got to try some fruits and vegetables in our meals. Make sure to check out our other videos in our channel and like and subscribe. Thank you.